campers. We are rolling. Conveniently, this was our fuel stop for last night, or for today, so we haven't been anywhere yet. It's just like, run my fuel algorithm in this morning, since, we went through kind of a lot of reefer fuel overnight, and I don't want to run into our customer on an empty tank. Just in case something goes wrong and we have to get out of there. You never know. I don't like letting my tank get low, and this would have, our previous fuel solution would have resulted in a low fuel state when we arrived at our customer. So I ran the numbers again this morning to see what it would say given our current fuel status. Oh, you're fine. You do not have to move over for me. I guess you did want to avoid the potholes, though. That's fair. Anyone else trying to get out behind me? No. Cool. I'm going to wait for these trucks to go by. I don't want to pull out in front of them. That guy's coming in here, so we've just got one car that's going to go by, and then we can pull out whenever we got a gap. Where'd the car go? There it is. Ha! I knew that was there! Even if he was hiding. Do-do-do-do. We got 7 hours, sorry, 6.5 hours to drive 300 miles to our delivery. Our delivery appointment is at 7 p.m. tonight. And we've arranged it such that we will, in fact, have hours to spare once we are unloaded. Even if they take like 5 hours to unload us, we'll still be alright. You want to move over, or... Okay, fine. Jerk. All that room, couldn't be bothered to move over. Gotta play chicken. Goodbye, Pocatello. This is what passes for a major city out here. We'll just skirt past Twin Falls, and then we'll hit Boise, and Boise's the only really big city on this route in Idaho. And a couple of decent-sized cities on 84 in Oregon, but Boise and Portland are basically the two major ones. On 84, anyway. I guess Ogden's kind of big, but I don't know. I don't know how it compares to Boise. And of course, we didn't go through Ogden because we took Route 30. And Route 30 certainly doesn't hit any major cities for Pocatello. Like, you get Cheyenne, I guess is kind of a major city-ish. It's big for Wyoming. So, you get Cheyenne, Rawlins, and maybe Kemmerer? I don't really know how big Kemmerer is. It's got the original JCPenney store, so it can't be that tiny, but you go around it on 30, you don't go anywhere into it. So you never really see the city itself. I wouldn't call it a major town. I certainly would not. Well, this is interesting. I thought they were finished with the bridge work here in Burley. Or are they just starting on this side now? Because it was the other bridge is the one they just rebuilt. Maybe they're going to rebuild the one on this side now? Nope, different bridge. Different bridge. Not the one on the river. Got it. Yoink. No, the river bridge that they replaced is up ahead. We won't be on the, we won't be driving across it on this side. But we'll be able to see it. We've been across it a few times now since they finished it. Though I'm just realizing now we haven't been back down Nebraska Highway 2 since that bridge. We went over it like once after they finished it, and I've yet to go back down that road since then. Bummer. Holy crap, is this somebody I know on my left? Nope. Same company though. I have a Canadian friend who drives for them. Alrighty, so we got some good info on our next load has come down the pipeline. We're going to be picking up at the beef slaughter place in Kuna, Idaho. So I'm bringing beef to the Boise area, and I'm taking beef out of the Boise area, so we are at a net zero beef. Zero beef. Which, you know, interesting. Wish you could kind of like poke them and be like, hey, you know, you've got a slaughterhouse right here. You can just buy your beef from, and it's way closer, and use less diesel to get it there. And nah, that'd be too much. That'd be too much. But no, we are going to, once we are unloaded tonight, we are going to head for we might head for the next customer? I don't know. I definitely found some places to park down there, but they're just like little roadside pullouts, so we might hang out at the TA instead till the morning. We'll see. I've got to get the exact details on this next pickup. We pick up tomorrow morning, and then it goes to Seattle for the next morning, and we'll be going like right down to the waterfront in Seattle. Alrighty, here's our last chance for a way station on this run, and it's open. Alright. This one gets us a lot. And either no signal or a come-in signal, probably. Never mind. Sweet. Bypass indeed. Cool with that. I've never gotten a bypass here before. I wonder if pre-pass started working here at the same time it started working in Oregon. That would make sense if this place had Oregon's green light system installed. That would make a lot of sense, actually. Sweet! Sweet! No ways at all on this load. That's awesome. That is super awesome. I love a good bypass.
0.3 miles ahead, turn around.
That was an awful turn. Ugh. Well, he made it. lights in high traffic intersections. Look at this. It just ends in a T at a major highway. It's so annoying. I hope we aren't stuck here for ages trying to turn right. Bright side, I can probably make this turn without going into the oncoming lane. We'll definitely need the turn lane though. Now there's someone in the turn lane. In the left lane. Just so we don't have to deal with traffic turning in and out of the places on the right. Looks like I'm not the first to have this idea anyway. Well, they got a decent chunk of truck parking there, don't they? Neat.
Approaching 22303 US 95 on the left.
barrier behind us. Kind of curious to see. Maybe I'll post a picture on Twitter if it's really close. All right, see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, folks. So the customer got us unloaded nice and quick. We are parked at the truck stop just down the road from our customer, little Jackson's, here in Wilder, Idaho. Wilder, Idaho. Little Jackson Street. But yeah, they had nice cheap showers. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Elio Dare, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam.